Hello everyone, welcome you all for the session on the shape memory materials and as well as the application with respect to the smart structure and shape memory alloys. As you know that the shape memory materials are a number, but some of them are listed here. In this, the nitinol is having the major application in the medical industries. The copper alloys also exhibits the shape memory effects. The copper, aluminum, nickel, copper and as well as tin, copper, zinc, copper and aluminum exhibits the shape memory effect. Even the gold along with the copper, gold and as well as the cadmium will also exhibits the shape memory effect. The next category is with respect to the iron and as well as the PT. PT is nothing but a platinum. Uh, the basic martensite structure is found out in the Fe only. For that reason only, we think that Fe and as well as a PT will exhibiting a shape memory effect. Mn and even the Cu will also exhibits the shape memory effect with a good results. The applications, as you know that the smart structure should have a major applications, especially in the aircraft industries, robotic industries and as well as the medical industries. The application of the smart structure plays a major role. The smart structure should meet the some of the major criteria. It should have a ability, durability, offerability, the cost and as well as safety is the major and important parameter which has to be considered while designing the structure. In the aircraft industries, the smart structures are used to monitor and as well as the health condition of the aircraft. The aircraft, the state of the strain depending upon the speed, pressure, performance and as well as efficiency. As we know that aircraft starts moving at high speeds, the friction is developed between the air and as well as the body of the aircraft. Because of that, there may be a change, there may be a rise in temperature with respect to the material and the speed, pressure and as well as the performance. The efficiency is also a most important. The smart structures should monitor these parameters and make the structure should be stable and also the aircraft should be in a stable condition and in a working with effectively. The spacecraft, as you know that the smart structures are used in pointing the accuracy of the large antennas maintained through the sensors and as well as the actuators. Especially in the case of the spacecraft, once if the antennas is to be transferred from the earth station to the space orbit, that it will be compressed and it will be put or it will be placed in a small chamber, that once if it is deployed, the entire antenna it will be stretched. The expansion of the antenna is taking place by using the actuators. These it should be worked accurately and as well as perfectly. Then only these antennas it can be spread out very easily. Either it may be in a linear or it may be a radial. In the case of a dish antennas, the buildings are designed to resist the damage caused by the earthquake and as well as wind damage by using a smart windows which can senses the weather change and automatically adjust it to the temperatures. Medical devices, the smart structures are very much essential in the human life, where some smart materials are used to sense to actuate to the respond depending upon the human condition. The best example is nothing but the insulin's delivery system. Depending upon the human condition, the delivery of the insulin should be maintained perfectly. The blood sugar sensors, the valves and filters are some of the examples in the case of the medical devices. The next another application is the pipelines. The smart structures are used to monitor the leakage and as well as the damage of the pipes where the oils and as well as the gases are flowing. There are some of the major applications with respect to the shape memory alloy in the case of the bone joints. The another major application with respect to this is in the aircraft industries. The third major application here which has been displayed is the nitinol, the stents. The stents are the what we can say the tube like structures or a meshed structure which will be deployed when the patient is undergone an angioplasty. In this slide, there are two crystal structure is there. One is with respect to the austenite, the another one is a martensite. Martensite, or it's also called as the twinned martensite. Now, the another graphical representation with respect to the shape memory alloy is the stress strain diagram along with the temperature. Once if the material starts loading it, the detwinned is converting into a twinned martensite. Once if the load is released, again it will be converted into a detwinned martensite. Then again here in this portion, as the strain has been recovered, that strain it is removed by using the heating treatment. In this portion where the material is converting martensite to austenite, and once if it is cooled, again it is converting back into a twinned martensite structure only. This phenomena is common in most of the shape memory alloys. In this slide, the one-way shape memory effect is explained. This portion is nothing but the original shape of the component. Once if it is bent, the deformed shape is visible here. This deformed tube, if it starts heated up, then again what we are obtaining is the normal dimension of the tube. Then again this, if it is cooled, what we are obtaining is the exact dimension of the tube. This process is called as the one-way shape memory effect, which is available in the shape memory alloys.